Welcome to Top Tech Picks YouTube channel. Are you ready to dive into the world of vlogging but unsure where to start when it comes to choosing the right gear? Welcome to our detailed guide on the best vlogging camera for beginners 2024, where we break down the top picks that combine ease of use, quality, and affordability. Perfect for newcomers, our selections will help you produce stunning video content without overwhelming you with complex features. Join us as we explore cameras that are not only budget-friendly but also pack the power to elevate your vlogging journey from the very first shot. Whether you're aiming to capture adventures, lifestyle, or tutorials, find your ideal vlogging companion with us today. Number 5. Sony ZV1 Digital Camera for Content Creators, Vlogging, and YouTube. The Sony ZV1 digital camera is specifically tailored for content creators and vloggers, making it a prime candidate for the best vlogging camera for beginners 2024. This compact powerhouse is renowned for its user-friendly features, making it an excellent choice for those just starting their vlogging journey, as well as seasoned creators looking for a reliable, high-performance tool. What sets the Sony ZV1 apart is its perfect blend of simplicity and advanced technology. It features a vari-angle flip screen and a built-in microphone that deliver high-quality audio and video, ensuring your content always looks and sounds professional. The touchscreen display enhances user interaction, allowing for quick adjustments and intuitive control, which is essential for fast-paced content creation. The camera supports 4K HDR video, providing stunning visual clarity and detail that can elevate any vlog. The live video streaming and webcam functionalities are particularly beneficial for creators who engage with their audiences in real time, offering versatility whether you're streaming from home or out in the field. Moreover, the Sony ZV1 is designed with content creators in mind, boasting features like background defocus, which works wonders for keeping the focus on the subject, and product showcase setting, ideal for seamlessly highlighting products without manually adjusting settings. Overall, the Sony ZV1 stands out as one of the best vlogging cameras for beginners in 2024, offering an unbeatable combination of portability, ease of use, and high-quality output. Whether you're looking to start your vlogging career or enhance your content creation setup, the Sony ZV1 is a choice that promises to support and elevate your creative endeavors. Number 4. DJI Osmo Pocket 3, a game-changer for vloggers and content creators. The DJI Osmo Pocket 3 is a remarkable tool for vloggers and content creators looking for a compact yet powerful video camera. Its standout feature is the 1CMOS sensor, which provides exceptional image quality and low-light performance, making it ideal for a range of environments and lighting conditions. One of the most impressive aspects of the Osmo Pocket 3 is its ability to shoot 4K video at an ultra-smooth 120 fps. This high frame rate is perfect for creating dramatic slow-motion footage, adding a professional polish to any vlog or YouTube video. The camera's 3-axis stabilization ensures that your footage remains steady and smooth, even when filming on the move, which is crucial for capturing dynamic, engaging content. The fast focusing capability of the Osmo Pocket 3 is another feature that vloggers will find invaluable. Whether you're capturing fast-paced action or subtle expressions, the camera keeps your subject sharply in focus, enhancing the overall quality of the video. Face and object tracking further aid in maintaining focus and framing, especially when filming solo. The 2-rotatable touchscreen is a thoughtful addition, providing a convenient and intuitive interface for framing shots and navigating settings. This flexibility is essential for vloggers who need to quickly adjust to different shooting scenarios. In conclusion, the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 is a powerful vlogging camera that packs a host of professional features into a remarkably compact frame. It is an ideal choice for content creators who need a versatile, high-quality camera that can keep up with their creative demands, making it a strong contender in the market for the best vlogging cameras. Number 3. Canon PowerShot B10, the ultimate vlog camera for content creators. The Canon PowerShot B10 emerges as a top-tier choice for content creators focusing on vlogging and live streaming. This camera is specifically engineered to cater to the unique demands of modern content creation, combining advanced technology with user-friendly features. One of the standout attributes of the PowerShot B10 is its 1CMOS sensor, offering exceptional image quality even in low-light conditions. This sensor ensures that every video and photo is captured with crisp details and vibrant colors, essential for creating eye-catching content that stands out on social media platforms. Equipped with a 19mm wide-angle lens, the PowerShot B10 is perfect for capturing expansive shots, from bustling cityscapes to serene landscapes. This feature is particularly beneficial for vloggers who need to include more of their surroundings in their videos, providing a broader perspective and immersive viewing experience. The camera supports 4K video recording, allowing creators to produce high-resolution content with stunning clarity. Additionally, face tracking technology ensures that the subject remains in sharp focus during filming, which is crucial for professional-looking results. Built-in image stabilization minimizes camera shake, producing smooth and stable footage even when shooting handheld or on the move. This feature is a boon for vloggers who often record their adventures as they happen, without the aid of tripods or other stabilizing equipment. The Canon PowerShot B10 also doubles as a webcam, making it a versatile tool for live streaming, video calls, and webinars. The built-in microphone captures clear audio, which is important for delivering quality sound without the need for external devices. In summary, the Canon PowerShot B10 is an exceptional vlog camera that offers versatility, high performance, and ease of use. It is ideally suited for content creators looking to elevate their video production with professional-grade features in a compact, sleek design. Whether for vlogging, live streaming, or capturing stunning photos, the PowerShot B10 is a solid investment for any serious content creator. Number 2. Panasonic Lumix GH6, a new standard in mirrorless micro Four Thirds cameras. The Panasonic Lumix GH6 sets a new benchmark in the world of mirrorless micro Four Thirds cameras, designed to cater to both professional photographers and videographers. This powerhouse camera boasts a 25.2 MP sensor, offering superb image quality with rich detail and vibrant color reproduction, ideal for capturing stunning photographs and high-resolution videos. One of the most compelling features of the GH6 is its unlimited C4K and 4K video recording capabilities, which support 4:2 to 10-bit color depth. This feature ensures that video footage is not only detailed, but also offers excellent color fidelity, making it perfect for professional filmmaking and content creation where quality cannot be compromised. The camera is equipped with a 7.5-stop 5-axis dual image stabilizer, one of the most effective stabilization systems available in the market. This system dramatically reduces camera shake, enabling users to shoot ultra-smooth video and sharp stills handheld, even in challenging conditions or at slower shutter speeds. Furthermore, the user interface of the GH6 is highly intuitive, designed with both amateurs and professionals in mind. The camera offers extensive customization options and easy access to settings, which helps in swiftly adapting to different shooting conditions. This level of control, combined with the camera's impressive performance capabilities, truly makes the Lumix GH6 a stand-up model in the competitive field of mirrorless cameras. In conclusion, the Panasonic Lumix GH6 is an exceptional choice for anyone serious about photography and videography. Its combination of high-resolution imaging, advanced video features, and powerful stabilization offers unparalleled creative freedom, solidifying its position as a top contender in the mirrorless camera market. Number 1. Nikon Z30, the ultimate compact mirrorless camera for stills and video. The Nikon Z30 stands out as Nikon's most compact and lightweight mirrorless camera, specifically designed to meet the demands of both still photography and video creation. This model is perfect for content creators and photographers who require a high-performing camera that's easy to carry on all their adventures. Despite its small size, the Nikon Z30 doesn't skimp on features. It's equipped with powerful imaging capabilities that make it ideal for capturing high-quality stills and videos. The camera offers a streamlined interface, making it accessible for beginners while still providing the manual controls that experienced photographers appreciate. Video creators will find the Nikon Z30 particularly appealing due to its sharp video recording quality. It supports high-resolution video formats, making it a great tool for vloggers and video professionals looking for a portable solution that delivers consistent results. One of the standout features of the Z30 is its robust autofocus system, which includes eye detection AF for both humans and animals. This feature ensures that the main subject remains in sharp focus, even in dynamic situations, making it easier to capture professional-looking shots without constant adjustments. The camera's ergonomic design is another significant benefit, offering a comfortable grip and easy access to controls, which is especially helpful during extended shooting sessions. Additionally, its compatibility with the extensive range of Z-mount lenses opens up endless creative possibilities for shooting in various styles and environments. Overall, the Nikon Z30 is a fantastic option for anyone looking for a mirrorless camera that combines portability with powerful performance. Whether you're just starting in photography or you're a seasoned pro needing a compact travel camera, the Z30 offers the versatility and quality that Nikon users have come to expect. This camera is set to be a favorite among those who need an efficient, reliable tool for capturing stunning visuals on the go.